How to fix your network adapter is not showing in Device Manager. So if you're unable to locate your network adapter, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing we're going to do is just launch up the Device Manager window. Now select View and press Show Hidden Devices. Now click on the drop down next to Network Adapters and check to see if you can see your adapter. If it's still not showing, go and right click on Network Adapters and press Scan for Hardware Changes. Once again, check to see if your device is now showing. If it's still not working, close out of this window. You can then open up your Start menu, go in Search for Settings and click on this window here. In the left hand side, select Network and Internet. Now select Advanced Network Settings and then go and press Network Reset. You can then press Reset Now. And just bear in mind you will need to restart your computer after carrying out this step. Once your computer's restarted, you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, we can perform a soft reset on the device. Now to do this, just hold down the power button on your laptop for around about 60 seconds. So even when the screen goes black, continue to hold the power button down, and after 60 seconds have passed, you can then release this button, you can then restart your computer and check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu, search for Settings and click on this window. Now select System, you can then scroll all the way down to Recovery. Next to reset this PC, click on Reset. You'll have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. So before resetting our computer, we want to make sure we keep all of our files and documents. So I'm going to press Keep My Files. Now select how you want to reinstall Windows. Typically you're going to select Local Reinstall. And just bear in mind this won't delete any of your personal data such as your documents or photos, but any third-party apps you may have installed on your computer, you'll need to go and reinstall these after the update. So just press Next and continue to go through these steps, and once you've done that, you should then be able to find your network adapter in the Device Manager.